Oil production is, to put it mildly, not an easy process. Every detail matters here, especially modern and high-quality current and major workover of wells. The efficiency of subsequent operation, the duration of trouble-free periods between repairs, and the overall service life depend exactly on this. Furthermore, such preventive maintenance is a guarantee of the safety of the technological process, and major underground well repair also increases production volumes. Regardless of the type and degree of complexity of the routine repair, all operations during its conduct are associated with the process of hoisting and subsequent lowering of various equipment. Therefore, special APRS-40 units, which allow for the lowering and raising of equipment, are indispensable attributes in the oil production industry. So, how are these machines produced? Essentially, an underground well repair unit is a machine with built-in necessary technical equipment. Such APRS units in Kazakhstan are produced at only one enterprise, the Petropavlovsk Heavy Engineering Plant, PZTM. A company with a 56-year history, it provides equipment for many industrial sectors of the country. This is one of the largest machine-building enterprises in our republic today, and it is part of the national company Kazakhstan Engineering. Today, the enterprise specializes in 5 main areas: production of oil and gas equipment, equipment for the petrochemical industry, for the energy industry, the railway complex, and the enterprise fulfills orders for the needs of the Ministry of Defense of the Republic of Kazakhstan. One of our major directions is the production of special equipment for the repair, maintenance, and drilling of wells. This is equipment for well services. And today, we are the only enterprise in Kazakhstan that produces such products. The APRS-40 is designed for hoisting operations during well repairs. With its help, along with a flushing unit and a rotor with an individual drive, it is possible to conduct well flushing and drilling out sand plugs. The production of the unit begins in the Design Bureau. Here, domestic developers work on creating new, improved characteristics for the Kazakhstani repair unit APRS-40. The development is adapted, that is, it was originally developed by a scientific institute in the Soviet Union. We are bringing this product to perfection, introducing innovations and convenience in operation so that drillers find it easy to use our equipment. These are modifications, a more advanced model, and they are being manufactured at our enterprise for the first time with these specific modifications. Namely, this is a winch that allows for the rapid replacement of friction elements that wear out during operation, with lower costs and less labor intensity. Once the technical parameters are established, the most interesting part begins. In general, the factory's workshops are striking in their scale. Across thousands of square meters, hundreds of workers at machines are cutting, drilling, and welding. First, alloy, carbon, and austenitic steel arrive at the plant. In other words, the strongest, highest quality, and stainless steel. After an initial inspection, which is a mandatory condition, the sheet material is sent to the blanking shop. The machines allow for cutting steel up to 40 mm thick. Material that exceeds this thickness goes to oxy-fuel cutting. By the way, every single part of the future installation, and there are more than 2,000 of them, has its own technological cycle. While one part of the components is already ready for assembly, another must undergo mechanical processing. Generally, the APRS-40 consists of several parts. The basis is the chassis, which is purchased in semi. The platform and all mounted equipment, including power units, masts, supports, winches, and hydraulic cylinders, are manufactured by the plant independently. After the main components have passed through the welding shop, they are sent to the assembly shop. Cable products, hydraulics, and electrical elements produced at other plants also arrive here. First, the platform is fixed to the chassis, on which the mounted equipment is installed. Then, the masters perform painting, installation of electrical equipment, and the hydraulic part. Now the unit is ready for testing. The name of the installation speaks for itself. The unit allows for lifting a load weighing 40 tons, but the manufacturers build the machines with a margin. In other words, Kazakhstani repair equipment possesses a higher lifting capacity. We have delivered more than 900 machines of this class. These are hoists for both routine well repair, APRS-40, and machines for heavy well repair, major workover from 80 to 160 tons. Additionally, the enterprise today produces not only well repair machines, but also mobile drilling rigs with a lifting capacity from 125 to 160 tons. They are quite reliable and very simple. Most importantly, through constant contact with our customers, we modernize our machines to precisely meet the requirements of our main buyers. Our main customer today is Kazmunaygas and private structures, large subsoil users of our country. Specifically today, we wanted to present our product, the APRS-40. This is a machine for hoisting operations with a lifting capacity of up to 40 tons, which is currently used in almost all fields in western Kazakhstan. Currently, Petropavlovsk-made APRS-40 units are performing repairs on oil wells at domestic fields and refineries. Plans include expanding the sales geography. The first batch of units made in Kazakhstan is already prepared for export to neighboring countries.